Alright traders, check this out. Euro versus the pound. Very interesting situation here, guys. I think you're gonna love this one. I mean, from a technical point of view, it's a pretty sound case. We're talking about a bearish conviction and also a bearish position that we decided to get involved with. We started small because we only have the first indication, first level indication, the daily break below 90.68 here. This is the big level. This was our official trigger, and it got triggered, guys. Take a look, right? 90.68, that's the level. I want to show you where it's coming from. So I'm going to switch to the monthly chart, right? That's the big picture. And here's the formation we're trying to play out here. This trading range started back at the end of 2016. That's how old it is. And we've seen a few interesting, I mean, take a look. These are the swings, right? 4 separate swings, where the last one, now this is the interesting part. Take a look, the last one, guys, right? The fourth leg here took the previous highs by such a small margin. It's incredible. It's actually about 15 or 20 pip. That's how tight that is. And now the turnaround, right? So price is coming back now, trying to crash that 90.68 from above. Not sure if it's going to be successful or not. That we'll have to see. We'll have to wait to the end of the month and see. But basically, we need price to be able to cross back below 90.68 by the end of the week, which means by the end of today, or even better, by the end of the month, which means in in 8 or 9 days till the end of the month. And then we'll be very much confident that price is indeed starting to build up another downside swing here, which will take us back to the lower section as part of this trading range, right? So we think price is going to continue trading sideways. Who knows? Maybe for a few more years. I mean, this is a massive, massive trading range. Guys, I want to show you the daily chart. And something that is hard to see looking at the daily chart, but I'm going to make it easier for you guys. There's a pretty interesting head and shoulders pattern that it's kind of hidden when you look at the daily chart. Take a look. This is the left shoulder, massive head, which makes this head and shoulders pattern to be very much valid, as far as we're concerned. And take a look. This is the right shoulder. It's a bit shaky here looking at the daily chart, but let me assure you, this is a genuine head and shoulders pattern, guys. Take a look. Now I'm taking you to the 4-hour chart because that's where it's coming from. This is the formation. It's actually coming from the 4-hour chart. Take a look, really nice. And we had that already, price breaking below that neckline. But I will say this, the 90.68 is much more important and much stronger than the neckline, but it's nice to see that price had managed to cross over both of these supportive elements. So yeah, I mean, at this point, after such a nice upside trend that we had here leading to that head and shoulders pattern right in the top of that move, it makes a lot of sense to have that full-fledged downside reversal, right? So guys, we're starting strong. We want to see some weekly confirmation. I mean, by the end of the day, hopefully we'll have that weekly confirmation, and later on a monthly confirmation, and that means we're going to try to build up a decent sized position going downwards, starting with stop loss level at 92.50. That's about that for this one. That's about that for today, guys. Have a nice trading day.